Guys, today we're gonna be unboxing this Beyblade that I got. No, I don't want it to fall because I don't want to break it. And I don't know how to pronounce its name. It says Balkesh B3. Yeah, I love my Balkeshes. Alright, so we're gonna unbox Balkesh B3. Let's check the stats. It's 1 attack, 7 weight, 2 burst, 0 agility. That's awesome because it's a defense type. 13 defense. Oh, okay, that's a lot of defense. And 2 stamina. Looks like it doesn't spin for long even though it has, what is this called? Orbit? I don't know. It's atomic. Yeah, okay, yeah. So you can look at the stats. Yeah, just those awesome stats. All right, let's open this. Harder than I thought. Ow. That hurts. Why is it that this is the hardest one to open? Alright, so we got the classic ripcord. You got instructions. We got, no, I hate when I do this because it hurts. How about we use the ripcord to open it? Come on. Oh my god. Let's use this pump. You know what? I don't care. Let's just open it. Like I do with all of them. Just grab it and take it out. Here is a launcher. And I'm not going to lie. This is a really good launcher because it spins left and right and it's like decent size. Start with the driver. There we go. Here's the driver. It's did I say it already? Yeah, atomic, and it has that spinny ball and the ring spins. It's 2 gimmicks on one driver. It's actually really cool. There it is. It's really nice. It's the black and then the ring is actually purple, which I like. Let's take out forge disc. Ow. Here is, it's the same frame that came with Screw Trident. Here's 2, that's the forge disc. And the frame is bump. It's the same one that came with Screw Trident. That's actually really nice. And this is a red color, which I also really like a lot. Let's put the go together. There we go, finally. All right. Oh, finally. All right, here is what? Oh, that's the gimmick. Here is Balkesh, the star of the show. It actually looks really nice. And here is the QR code if you want to scan it. Is it focusing on the code? There we go. That's the code. And the gimmick, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this ring spins, and it also happens like on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but there's a small ring that spins. All right, let's put Balkesh together. Oh, I was doing it the wrong way. Is this a left spin day? It is left rotation. I had absolutely no idea. All right, I go to the stadium. Let's put this to left mode. All right, let's do test spin. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. I thought it had no agility. The box said no agility. You're supposed to have no agility. There we go. Okay, now that's actually really defensive because if you hit it, because of like bump and this huge, like really big top piece, what is it called? the energy layer. Yeah, that's what it says. The energy layer. It's really thick, so it's nice. That's what I like about it. No, wait, I think it's called a layer. Yeah, that's what it's called. Alright, I got 2 test battles. The first one is a stamina type. Did you guess it yet? Did you guess it? Did you guess it? I bet you guessed it. It's Kanox C3! Okay, so that's battle them. That's battle until they both die. What? Did that make sense? 3, 2, 1, let it rip! There goes Kanox. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! There goes Balkesh. I'm expecting Balkesh to win because it has that driver that actually does have stamina. The box said only 2 stamina, but I think it has a lot. This first one at 2 points. Come on, Balkesh. How is Balkesh winning? I don't understand this. Balkesh won by a tiny bit. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So it's 1-0. Balkesh is winning. Why is his name Balkesh? It's so annoying to say Balkesh. Alright, this time I'm going to Balkesh first because Balkesh won the other one. Alright, let's go Kanox or Balkesh. You guys are both one of my favorite bays, so yeah, battle. Are you going to the stadium? Oh, you can see the stadium? Oh, because the camera is... I'm dumb sometimes. Alright, come on, Balkesh! Balkesh! I'll give you my powers! Come on! Which one won?
The best.
I think this one won by the tiniest bit. Yeah, I think Kanox won. All these matches are so close. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my God. Those are some sick contacts. Alright, let's go, Balkesh. Balkesh, do whatever you do in the show. And then you have another challenge. Because why on earth wouldn't you? Whoever wins this is the winner. Oh my God, is Kanox about to win? Really? Balkesh won. I saw it by the tiniest bit. Balkesh won. It was spinning like just like that. It's so awesome. That's awesome. That's what I'm talking about. So Kanox is garbage. No, I don't want you to fall and die because then you'll be dead. Is that simple? Yeah, I think that's simple. Alright, the next one. It's a balance type. Did you get it yet? Did you guess it? Yeah, you definitely guessed it. It is... What's his name? Yeah, Shelter Regulus! Yay! No, don't die. Alright, here it is. Alright. Let's play some type of battle with Shelter Regulus. Even though I know Shelter Regulus is going to win because that's defense versus balance. So obviously Balkesh is going to win. 3, 2, 1, let him rip. 3, 2, 1, let him rip. Alright, let's go, Balkesh. You can totally destroy something that has power driver. I actually think Regulus is kind of good. Because it beat like Scalius. Yay! Balkesh wins! Why are all these matches with Balkesh really like, what do you call them? Tight? Close? Yeah, close. Close matches. Alright, let's do it. It's 1-0. Balkesh is winning. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh, damn! Regulus really wants to win this one. Alright, let's go, Regulus. We need to make this last longer. Regulus! Do whatever you do in the show! Oh, Balkesh is God. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Like I'm about to smash all my bad Beyblades. I'm just joking. Nobody smashes Beyblades. That's illegal. That's bad for the environment. But when you hit the subscribe button, it's really good for the environment. It makes the trees grow and the grass grow, and it makes the poison ivy die. It also kills... What does it kill? It kills ticks. No, wait. It kills cancer. That's what it kills. Alright, so if you want to save some people's lives and protect the earth, you should smash the subscribe button. Like this. That's hard. Well, don't actually smash it because you'll need the subscribe button. And also the like button, don't actually smash it because you'll need it for the next video. Of course you will. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye!